Hello dears, how are you all? I hope you are all good and safe at home. I am Satyamurthy from Bharathidhasanar Matric Higher Secondary School. I am very happy to meet you again in this video session. Now I am going to continue 11th Mathematics first chapter, that is sets, relation and functions. In this chapter today we are going to discuss about relation. So what is relation? You take few elements from the Cartesian product to form a set, then you will find the relation. When we approach the concept of the relation in different aspects, in real life sense, cryptography, geometric, from the Cartesian product. Listen to us from that. Next, in our daily life, we come across the questions like who is he, how is related to you. We have some probable answer. Listen, he is my brother, he is my father, he is my sister, or he is not related to me. From this, the word relation define a person connected with another one person. Extending this idea in mathematics. Listen, let A and B be any two non-empty sets. A relation R from A to B is defined as a subset of the Cartesian product of A and B. Do you understand? Listen, in mathematics, the relation in mathematics, let A and B be any two non-empty set. A and B must be non-empty set, and a relation R, relation always denoted by R, from A to B is defined as a subset of the Cartesian product of the A and B. Listen, types of relations. There are three types. First one is reflexive, second one is symmetric, and third one is transitive. What is reflexive? A reflexive relation. In the reflexive relation, we have to consider only one element. From that, every element related to itself. Listen, yes, every element related to itself. Now here you can see this. So A is related to A. So same element related to that element. Second one is symmetric relation. Suppose A is related to B, then B must be related to A. Do you understand? A is related to B, then B must be related to A. If satisfied this condition, then only it is symmetric relation. Listen, from this, A is related to B and B must be related to A. So this is symmetric relation from this. Next one is transitive relation. Here we need to consider three elements, A, B, C, be object or person, whatever it may be. From this, suppose A is related to B and B is related to C, then B must be related to listen, yes. Suppose A is related to B and B is related to C, then A is related to C. It means the A and the last element is C must be related. Suppose, sir, A is related to B, but B is not related to C. Yes, no need to check whether A is related to C or not. Do you understand? While you are checking, if A is related to B, there is no B is related to C. So no need to check whether A is related to C or not. Do you understand? And if all the three relations are satisfied, it has special name, that is equivalence relation. Listen, yes, if all the three relations are satisfied, that is if it is symmetric, reflexive, transitive. Then it has special name. What is that name? That is equivalence relations. Now we are going to start exercise sum, that is exercise number 1.2, question number 1. Question number 1, first subdivision. The relation R defined on the set of all positive integers. Listen, yes, all positive integer by m related to n if m divides n. Listen, so if m related to n if m divides n. Listen, from this in the solution, first you need to consider set. Given set is all positive integers. Listen, the set A, your wish, I am going to consider set A of all positive integers. This is required set. From this, first I am going to check reflexive. To check the reflexive, we need only one elements. It may be, listen, the first one is reflexive. The reflexive, first we have to write the statement. What is the statement? M divides n. I am going to, that is the relation, given relation m divides n. There are two elements, that is m and n. To check reflexive, we need only one element, so that is m. So m divides m. Any number divide itself. Do you understand? If any number divides the same number, so it is correct. From this, the reason relation, sorry, statement is m divides m. Relation, how can you write? M is related to m. Therefore, it is reflexive. It is reflexive. Listen, yes, to check reflexive, we need only one element. That is, I have considered m. If you take any integers, your wish, positive integers. Suppose if you consider 2, 2 is divided by 2. Do you understand? 3 is divided by 3. So all the positive integers are divisible itself. Do you understand? So next, reflexive. Reflexive over symmetric. Symmetric relation. In the symmetric relation, we need two elements. Do you understand? We need two elements. What are the two elements? M, n. M, n. So first I am going to write the relation, that is m is related to n. The statement, how can you write? M divides n. Listen, m divides n. Listen, again in the statement, n does not divide m. Listen, yes, that numbers m equal to 2 and n equal to 4. If you consider this 2 number, 2 divides 4. Listen, 2 divides 4, but 4 does not divide 2. Do you understand? 4 by 2 is possible, 2 times and 4. Do you understand? But 2 by 4 does not possible. You will get again 1 by 2 will come. Do you understand? It is not the integer, positive integer. From this, so n does not divide m. Does not divides m. From this, the relation n is not related to m, so it is not symmetric. If it is satisfied n is related to m, it is symmetric. Here it is not satisfied because n is not related to m, so it is not symmetric. It is not symmetric relation. The third one is there, that is transitive. To check the transitive, we need three elements. We need three elements. Listen. Transitive, to check the transitive, we need three elements from the same format. First we need to write the reason and statement, finally again relation. Relation to statement, relation. Listen. First, in the relation, M is related to N and N is related to L. Listen, yes, I have considered three elements. What are the elements? M, N, L. Do you understand? M is related to N and N is related to L. Finally, what should come? Then M is related to L. We need to check that. From this, wait. In the statement, M divides N and N divides L. Listen, you consider three numbers, that is 2, 4, 8. That is 2, 4, 8. From this, 2 divides 4, 4 divides 8. It is possible. Therefore, again in the statement, M is divides L. M divides L. From this, L is what? M is M, value of M is 2, value of L is 8. 2 divides 8. Do you understand? It is possible from this. So therefore, in the relation, how can you write? M is related to L. Do you understand? It gives M is related to L. Now, M is related to L. From this, it is transitive. Therefore, it is transitive. It is transitive. Now you check reflexive. It is reflexive. It is not symmetric. If it satisfies these three conditions, three relations, it has special name, that is equivalence relation, but it is not equivalence because it is not symmetric. Listen once again. To check reflexive, we need only one element. To check symmetric, we need two elements. To check transitive, we need three elements. Do you understand? That's it. Dear students, keep watching our YouTube channel to improve knowledge. Thank you.
நளினி அமிர்தாவோட ஃபாதர் யூகேஜிலேருந்து 8th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் படிக்கிறாங்க. இப்போ அது 5:30 to 6:30 வந்து கிரவுண்ட் ரன்னிங் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணிவிட்டு பாடி எக்ஸசைஸ் பண்ணிவிட்டு அப்படியே ஸ்கூல் அட்டன் பண்ணிவிட்டு மத்தியானம் மேலே மதர் தெரேசா அகாடமிலையும் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க. மெட்ராஸில் எம்இஎம்லும் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க. நேஷனல் லெவலில் வந்து கோல்டு அடிச்சிருக்காங்க.
ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ்லேயும் சரி ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்கும் அதே